just the beginning of what figures to be a closely watched legal process.
The Barron County DA says he will not be providing any more details on the case with regard to the court proceedings. Eric Franke has more details on a press conference that happened just moments ago. Eric?
Yeah, you heard a lot there from Jayme with regard to the criminal complaint that was released today. The DA now being very careful to make sure all the T's are crossed, the I's dotted. When it comes to this legal process, he clearly wants to make sure that this is a fair trial, reminding reporters and the public that Patterson still has that presumption of innocence. And Brian Wright, the DA, reiterated a few of the details in that criminal complaint in a press conference that followed that court proceeding you just saw. He really didn't get much into the details of that criminal complaint, but Brian Wright said today marked the first time he had seen Jake Patterson when he made that initial appearance via video conference today in court in Barron County. He wants to make it clear they want a fair trial, have justice for the Closs family, and be certain Patterson is convicted.
The prosecution team that you see assembled here today wants justice for James and Denise Closs and for Jayme Closs. I assure you that while you will not receive public statements from my office about this case, the prosecutors who I have introduced and myself will be working hard to convict the defendant of the charges filed against him.
And also on that prosecution team is DA Mark Fruhoff. He's the district attorney in Douglas County. It is important to point out that any potential crimes against Jayme Closs that happen in that cabin in Douglas County, anything that happened to her at all would be separate charges, and they would be filed by Fruhoff in Douglas County. DA Fruhoff says there may be more updates on potential charges for Patterson in Douglas County before the next court appearance for Patterson, which, as we mentioned, as you guys mentioned a short time ago, 11 a.m. on February 6th. Mark and Susan.
All right, Eric, thank you.